students, so going to see types of chemical reaction के मखा चतरक पोइना exothermic and endothermic reaction है वैसे कई नो यंगसी अहमबदा आई समलपना exothermic and endothermic reaction है वैसे कई नो है बदुम तंग ताक्चरमगे so exothermic means कई नो है मतमदा करीगुम्बा अखोइना reaction अमा okay picker अमा लखले so सिदा अखोइना reaction अमा चथरे करीगुम्बा reaction सी अखोइ से सिगी reaction system सिदगी to the surrounding the sumaina akoi heat natragan any form of energy se thadoraba mainly heat ko koi pai bada sa taragadi madu bo khoina kai hara khangagi ha matamda exothermic reaction hai endothermic haragada to this system sida surrounding dagi heat se kai gumba chupsan taragadi ko madu buna khoi endothermic means mapanda pai bada ingani hai ba ko aduna khoi yengsi every chemical reaction involves a change in energy. Chemical reaction ama thokpa have say energy change the way have ni ko. Either the reaction takes place and the energy is liberated to the adjacent surrounding, or the reaction takes place in which the absorption of energy, that is the energy, is absorbed from the adjacent surrounding. Habdi energy se akhoi mapan thadorok pa yai energy se natragana manung da chupsan gi basu yai ko. The first type of the reaction is said to be exothermic. Karigumba heat se comes out id system dudagi ai ngasai hai system sidagi surrounding the tholak pa taragadi kai kaugi ha matam da khoina exothermic kawi aduga second type ta leiba heat goes in surrounding the system da changi ba oitaragana akhoi adubuna endothermic reaction hare khangnai ko. All chemical reaction are in one of these two categories. Adi chemical reaction chathariba khudimak either exo natragana endo anisi manungda amadi oigani habani ko. As the root form thermic indicates, the original definition of these two terms was based only on the heat. Thermic na mean to isi ke daraba akoi the heat energy habasini ko. Today, however, the exothermic reaction refers to the reaction in which takes place with the evolution of the energy in any form, heat, light oiba electrical oiba mechanical oiba ko. Then endothermic reaction refers to the reaction which are accompanied by absorption of any form of heat, any form of energy yai ko. Akoi endothermic reaction hairagana hujikna kaidaroba any form of energy se absorb toroba aduga karigumba exothermic reaction hairagana any form of the energy, it may be heat, light, electrical, mechanical mayam se oiba yai ko. Si singse akoi evolve tor mapan thadora ba adu taragade akoi exo kawi aduga that type of akoi heat, light, electrical and mechanical singse karigumba this form of energy se absorb torogana akoi madubuna endothermic hair khangnai ko. Example khar yengsi akoi burning of natural gas, methane and other fuel. Akoi methane gumba se akoi toilet ta phangi ko, toilet ta phangi. So akoi methane se akoi na nahawai akoi se biogas loba kaina akoi toilet ta ki swaina dum sep saraga akoi gas se loraga chak thongba yarami ko. So methane when react with the oxygen ko, so they form carbon dioxide, water and energy thadora ini ko se that energy do koi na heat energy do koi kai do bu si nai chak thong bu si nai ko. This heat energy ji akoi na kai ko tare exothermic reaction ni. Then octane jo oxygen ga mai cha kan koi kai thadore energy, so this is also exothermic reaction ni haiba ko. Aduna akoi yamna keno example yamna phajaba amtang yengsi ko. Respiration is an exothermic process haiba akoina sor holiba tawriba mayam singsi ke doraba, it's a exothermic reaction ni kamaina no yengsi ko. We get energy from food we eat. Akoina chariba chinjak singdagi akoi energy phangi. The food that we eat mainly contains starch yawi ko. Then from rice tagi phangba potato adedi bread ko adedi proteins from the meat, egg, milk, pulses yai ko. Sumain tawdana akoi during digestion food materials are broken down into a simpler substance. Digestion taw matamda khoi gi chasan ge bang asai gi rice oigera, potato oigera, bread oigera, proteins oigera ko mayam sing meat, egg chari ba mayam sing se digestion taw matamda ke daraba simpler substance ta khoi thugai ni habani. So starch decomposes into a simpler sugars ko glucose oibe ai, fructose oibe ai, so glucose form da khoi thugai ni. Then similarly protein sing akoina meat chariba mayam sing si ke daraba amino acid sing yawi ko protein sing ji thugai ta de khoina simpler molecules means amino acid ta phange ko the glucose combined with the oxygen in the cells of our body cells ta khoi ke daraba glucose kana punsa leba oxygen ga and provide energy cells sing du da khoi energy sing je supply to ni kana ga glucose sing du ga oxygen ga combine taraga akoina adugi process tu bu kai hara khangna ge ha matam da respiration hai ko yengsi hujik reaction do khoi se glucose lere so it's a simpler substance or simpler unit of the kanagi nang ngasai khoi sugar cha giba mayam singdugi natragana carbohydrate cha giba mayam singdugi ko when they react with the oxygen ko they form carbon dioxide should release in the akoi thadorani sor hondorak pudi yaro se then water lehorani ko water gas water vapor then energy so this energy sing se khoi kana na sijin no akoi cells in our body sing na sijin ne ko then decomposition reaction are endothermic reaction decomposed over reaction sing sia khoi endothermic reaction ne have see it is observed that decomposition reaction require energy in the form of heat light electricity ko habidi decompose tawge hai ta de khoi external energy am change ba that energy to it may be heat oiba yai light oiba yai electricity oiba yai ko for breaking down the reactants me am sing du thugai na bi damak ta ko as already learned, those reactions in which the energy is absorbed are called endothermic reaction. Reaction do karigumba energy absorb tautaragade akoina endothermic reaction kawi habaduni. However, there are also certain combination reaction in which heat is absorbed. For example, combination of nitrogen and oxygen to form nitric oxide takes place with the absorption of heat. Akoi heat se nitric oxide formation tawge hetadi nitrogen ga oxygen ga ko heat se absorb tawi nitric oxide form taw matamda. A mixture of hydrogen and a chlorine when exposed to the sunlight from hydrogen chloride sin sunlight mo exposed to matamda hydrogen ga chlorine ga se so they form hydrogen chloride ko then photosynthesis is also an endothermic reaction ko id carbon dioxide se kanana lausale plant singna then water akoi happy re ko then nong dagi kai dagi phange aduga in presence of light yaw ta di ke moi machinjak sungjaba ngam deba in presence of light ta moina kari sunge glucose sunge then oxygen thadore oxygen do mo khoina lobani ko sina miyoibana thadorakpani aduga plan lawsale so oxygen amu thadore oxygen sina kana lawba akhoi human sing sina ko so moi sing so khoi light changabani na light is a form of energy ni so light si changabani na hoje kai kaurage hamatam da photosynthesis se is an endothermic is a very good example ne ko sumai lere mathang da khoi displacement reaction na ma lai ko so displacement reaction se mu yengsi displacement reaction se khoi na okay makhala piribe example se hanamtang yengminasi ko copper sulfate sidagi akoina iron ga react tawre so akoi copper ka iron ga si akoi kanana hena reactive foibe henge hamatamda iron na hen heli ko aduna maram oiraga akoi sida yawriba copper sulfate yawriba copper se kanana displace tawthokraba akoi iron na so iron can form iron sulfate aduga copper se ase copper solid oina thole ko so iron displaces the kanabu akoi copper se displace to ini so this type of reaction je koina kai hare khangna displacement reaction hare khangna bu ko se okay definition se koi khada oina yenga ko some more example atopa khara su lere H2SO4 da zinc ka react toraga zinc can displace the hydrogen ion ko hydrogen ion presence in the sulfuric acid da H2SO4 da yawriba hydrogen ion sing du displace tawgre admai tawduna ICl dagi Zn na displace tawba so different type of akoi displacement reaction ma'am lere ko अखोइना सिगी displacement reaction से नैनब मतमदा mainly reactivity series of the metal and activity series na ma नैनगनी को activity series नत्र reactivity series है भी series अमा खोइना सांग लेबदो आदि से iron copper काइन तौदना को सिगी लेरिबो मयाम सिंग सिदा खोइना कैदोगे हा मतमदा iron sina copper se displace tawba ngami habidi iron is the first akoi or more reactive than kanadagi copper dagi hana more reactive oitadi copper se koi displace tawba ngame aduga another form amada mo khoina iron sulfate oina lawraga ko copper sina displace tawbra yeng matambadi no reaction thoya de so ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ copper is less reactive than ꯀꯅꯥꯗꯒꯤ ironꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ less reactive ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ displacement reaction ꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ displacement reaction se chathare so some displacement reaction khara akhoi makhada example oina activity series to akhoi sida pire ko sigi activity series sigi matungina displacement reaction je thokane ba ko aduna akoina sida haining isi most reactive mathaka leiriba potassium barium calcium ko akhoi ero mathakta kakaliba mayam sing si akhoi reactive khwaidai oiba singni aduna ngasai akhoi copper ga iron ge do hekte yengsi copper si leire so iron na kaida leire mathakta so iron is more reactive than kanadagi akhoi copper dagi hena more reactive oi haibase akhoi yare ko karigi according to this activity series se hana scientist mayam singna already analysis tawraga thammaba posak amani ko metals more reactive than hydrogen haije akhoi hydrogen da comparison tawraga akhoi hydrogen dagi hena more reactive oiba si hydrogen sida as a reference oina lauraga ko hydrogen sigi makhada kumdagi bingsina less reactive oiba kangu singni sidagi kakha bingsina kaidroba akhoi more reactive oiba kangu singni hydrogen as a reference aibudi reference lawri si kaigino haimatem akhoi na mi masak phajaba hata hairasi mi masak phajaba si kadai bu kauge haibase akhoi loina phajaba haibase leite so phajaba duga khwaidagi naknaba amadi leigani reference oina lawba yaba for example se akhoi aishwarya hairasi aishwarya bu hena mangondagi hena phajakiba kangu ma aduga aishwarya dagi hena tathaba kangu ma ko aishwarya dagi hena phajabusu leirangani adumai tawduna akhoi as a reference ama lawbai wani ko hydrogen dagi hena more reactive oiba and less reactive oiba aduna mathaka thoiba sigi copper sulfate sigi reaction bu oirasu then iron sulfate na sida no reaction bu oirasu ko then AgNO3 sigi reaction mayam singse kanada loina base tawraga chatke ha matamda activity series of the metal sida base tawra chakani aduna akoina sigi displacement reaction je nainarapu matamda so we need to know about the activity series or reactivity series of the metal se akoi by heart pu darka oi haibani ko sibogda akoi displacement reaction ki chorakpa nainaba loire mathang da double displacement reaction je khoi